what's exhausting? Trying to look perfect every single day. Nobody tells you that because Fashion Tube and Style Talk love an illusion. But real women, we got lives, jobs, them kids, allergies, dookie braids under a hat. And sometimes the goal doesn't need to be perfection, just presence. Here's the catch. When you've built an identity around the need or pressure to always look good, letting yourself not look good can feel like a failure. So let's unlearn together. Looking good isn't the same as feeling aligned. You can have the outfit, the hair, the everything, and still feel like a hell no in motion. So in this video, I want to show you what to do when you feel that pressure creeping in, the part that nobody talks about, and how to still show up without performing perfection. By the way, if we haven't met, hello, my name is Elexis. I've dedicated my entire life to fashion. I'm a professional fashion designer by day and now your style therapist. I'm your go-to girl about all this personal style stuff. Here's the truth. Style was never meant to be a performance. It's supposed to serve you, not drain you. And when it starts to feel heavy, that's going to be your cue to pivot. So a pivot is what you do when your reality changes, like your body, your schedule, your season of life. It's the moment you stop forcing what used to work and start dressing for the beautiful woman that you are right now. I know I've said you might as well care about your looks. It does call in new opportunities like higher pay or that hottie noticing you across the street. People really do treat you better. It is something that you should care about, but it's supposed to be fun. Clothes and personal style have the power to change your whole life. The way you move changes when you elevate your physical appearance. This is one of my favorite phenomena of all time, cognition. On the other side of the same coin, I have to say it. If some people cared half as much about their interior, like integrity, energy, spirit, as they do their exterior, the world would look different. My God, the lack of morality of some humans is utterly disgraceful, but I digress. I know, my girl, you've already done interior work. You've invested in yourself. You're healing, growing, leveling up mentally and emotionally. You're not starting from scratch. You're a dope human already, so the question really becomes, what's next? Where does that leave you? You have questions, I have solutions. Come as you are. We are so happy to have you. People are going to feel it before they even notice the clothes, because that's the secret. The most stylish woman you know aren't necessarily the most put together. They're just the most in tune. Their style evolves as their life evolves. They don't chase the look, they become it. And you, my love, you are ready for better, for a wardrobe that works with you and for you. It's not about doing more. It's about removing the things that drag you down. Which leads me to my number one piece of advice if you're ready to make a shift physically. Get the sweats and leggings out of your closet. Now, I don't mean you can never be comfortable again. Hear me out. But if sweats and leggings are your default uniform, you've already lost the decision before the day starts. Clothes are powerful because they're communicating for you without you saying a word. So if sweats are the only comfortable option within reach, of course you'll grab them. But when you physically remove them, you force yourself into a new baseline. And that baseline naturally elevates how you show up. And if you're in that weird space, tired of trying but not ready to give up, this next part is for you. Okay, let's start with maybe replacing your default leggings with trousers in a soft fabric. This is just as comfy but instantly polished. Trade your basic sweatshirt for a cardigan, again, still cozy but a little more pulled together. Or swap your beat-up sneakers or outdated boots for a slip-on loafer or kitten heels. No extra effort, but a huge difference in energy. Or lastly, how about you trade in that basic old pilling t-shirt for a blouse or an upgraded t-shirt dress in modal? The point isn't to be dolled up 24/7. It's to make sure your lowest effort option still makes you feel like a woman who takes herself seriously. So ask yourself, what would feel good today? Looking good all the time isn't the goal. The goal is alignment. Because when you stop trying to look good 100% of the time, you actually start looking like yourself 100% of the time. Some days that alignment looks like tinted glasses, a ponytail, and a clean sweater. Other days it's overalls and boots. Both are valid, both are powerful, because both are you choosing. So what we're not doing anymore is hiding behind "I'm too tired" outfits that chip away at our confidence. Comfort is allowed, neglect is not. So yes, it's exhausting to try to look perfect every day, and you don't need to. But if you want to feel powerful, start by removing the easy outs. Make sure even your laziest outfit whispers respect for yourself. Because style is about curating an environment, inside and outside, that makes you feel proud to be you. If you felt this, subscribe. I'm building a space for women who want style that moves with them, not against them. Now tell me in the comments, what are you ready to pivot from? Is it the leggings, the sweats, the t-shirt? I want to know. Take care. I love you. And I'll see you cutie pies in the next one. Bye.